A school is a graveyard without a library. Our ultimate study is the visual study from birth till deathbed. Success demarks the difference between delight and dismal. My students are famishing to learn new words, and I am at their beck and call. Sweating out signifies success in sports. Successful life comprises calculated risks. Take risks. You can take calculated risks, but not unnecessary risks. The moment we realize our fault, on the very next moment, we are elevated in stature.